Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can convert a photo to PNG format on your iPhone. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Once in the Shortcuts app, tap on the plus icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will allow you to create a new shortcut. In the new shortcut creation screen, give your shortcut a name that you prefer. Then, tap on the Add Action button. In the search bar, look for the Select Photos action and tap on it. This will allow you to select the target image you want to convert to PNG format. Tap on the arrow icon next to the Select Photos action. Here, make sure to enable the Include feature and only select images. Also, toggle on the Select Multiple option so that you can choose multiple photos if needed. Next, tap on the search bar at the bottom and look for the Convert Image action. Tap on it. In the Convert Image settings, you'll see the current file format, which is likely JPEG. Tap on it and select PNG from the list of options. Again, tap on the search bar and look for the Save to Photo Album action. Tap on it. This will save the converted PNG image to your iPhone's photo library. Finally, tap on the Share icon at the bottom right corner. This will allow you to save the shortcut onto your iPhone's home screen for easy access in the future. To use the shortcut, simply launch it, select the target image, and tap on Add. The shortcut will then convert the image to PNG format and save it to your photo album. So that's basically how you can convert a photo to PNG format on your iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.